Hello again. I have another story for you all today. This is Clifford's Tricks by Norman Bridwell. Whee! A new family moved in next door. They have a girl, and the girl has a dog. The girl said, "Hi, I'm Martha, and this is my dog Bruno. He's a very big dog." I said, "I'm Emily Elizabeth. This is my dog Clifford. He's big too." "Well," Martha said, "your dog may be a little bigger than Bruno, but I bet Bruno is smarter. I will show you some tricks." Then Martha sent Bruno to the newspaper stand to bring her a paper. So I sent Clifford to bring me a paper. What might happen? He brought the entire paper stand. Oh no. Martha said, "Bruno plays dead better than any dog I know. He was pretty good, but not as good as Clifford." "That was pretty good," Martha said, "but watch this." Martha said, "Speak, Bruno." Bruno spoke. "I hated to do it, but I couldn't let Clifford lose. I said, 'Speak, Clifford.'" Ooh, what might happen? Bow wow! Some people make such a fuss over a little bark. Look at all the people that came when Clifford barked. I told the policeman I wouldn't let Clifford bark again. I told them it was just a trick. They wanted to see Clifford do another trick, so I told him to roll over. That was a mistake. We decided to take a walk while the policeman talked to Daddy about their car. Martha said, "Maybe Clifford is a little bigger and a little smarter, but I bet Bruno is braver." We walked to the bridge. "I will show you how brave Bruno is," Martha said. She told Bruno to jump on the railing and walk. He was too smart. He wouldn't do it. I don't think I would walk on that railing either. That looks kind of scary. Then Martha did a silly thing. She got up on the railing to show Bruno how easy it was, but she slipped. Oh no, what do you think might happen next? Bruno was brave. He jumped in to save her, but he wasn't big enough or strong enough. Help! Help! Ooh, look at this page. Who do you think has jumped in to help? It was Clifford. Hooray! The policemen were so happy that they forgave Clifford for mashing their car. Martha said, "Thank you, Clifford. You are the biggest, bravest, smartest dog I know. Thank you for saving Bruno because I love him more than any other dog in the world." And Emily Elizabeth's telling Clifford, "I love you more than any other dog in the world." Now we both know who is the best dog of all. And of course, both girls think that their dog is the best, just like I think my dog is the best. And that is a wonderful thing to think that your dog is the best, because to you they truly are. I hope you all have a wonderful day.